Are you still using Facebook groups to build community? And are you looking for a way to schedule posts in Facebook through third-party apps like CinchShare? But since Facebook took the connection away where you can't just automatically schedule them from the third-party app into Facebook anymore, are you struggling to find a way that works for you? Well, I'm doing 3 different videos to show you 3 different ways that you can use CinchShare to still continue to schedule your posts inside your Facebook group. So if you haven't watched the first video I talked about push notifications, feel free to head over there and take a peek at that video. I'll post that video at the end of this one. And if you're looking for a way to easily schedule posts from within your browser into your CinchShare app using CinchShare and your Chrome browser, then this is the video you want to watch. So follow me into my CinchShare app so I could show you how I use the Chrome browser and my CinchShare app to schedule posts inside my Facebook group. All right, so here we are inside my CinchShare scheduler, and I'm going to show you how I use the Chrome browser to easily schedule posts from within my CinchShare folder directly into my Facebook group. So I'm going to find the content that I need to schedule. So I like to keep things neat and organized inside my CinchShare folder, so you'll see them in my folders, and I actually have a folder or a subfolder that contains my posts for this tutorial. So this tutorial, we're going to show you how to post an image as well as a caption and schedule it into your Facebook group directly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this amazing thing that I use on a daily basis in my Chrome browser. And I'm just going to right click on my CinchShare browser, and I am going to click Add Tab to New Split View. So this allows me to pick another tab that I want to view side by side. So I'm going to actually pick my Facebook group that I want to schedule in. And because I don't need the full screen on CinchShare, I just simply drag that over to where I can just see the post information that I need. So now I want to actually go into my posts, and I'm going to open up post number 1. I am going to use the clipboard to copy. And then I'm going to go into my Facebook group and I'm going to click on write something. This is going to allow me to basically write a post like I was writing it from scratch. Because I have the image already copied to my clipboard, I'm just going to click here and I am going to paste the image in. Then I'm going to go down to the message or the content and then just copy it to the clipboard, come here and write something, and again, paste it in. Now this is ready to go. So I'm going to sit here and I am going to schedule this for the 31st and we're going to do 10 a.m. So that is scheduled. Now we're going to be ready for our next one. So all I have to do is simply, because I have everything organized, post number 1, 2, and 3, I'm just going to hit that little arrow on the bottom. It takes me to post number 2. I always copy the image first. In case I have a link in there, I don't want the thumbnail for that link to auto-populate. So I always put the image in first, and then I come in and copy the content, and then post there, the caption, and go to schedule the 31st. We're going to do 10:05. Schedule that. We'll repeat that same process. So we're going to go to post number 3. We're going to click here. We're going to copy the image, paste, copy the content, paste, and we are going to go the 31st, 10, 10, and get ready for the final post. Click there, copy, paste, copy, paste. And what I love about this version is that I don't need to be flip-flopping back between screens. Everything's all in front of me, easy to use. And then I could see that all of my posts are scheduled, ready to go in the order that they need directly inside of my Facebook group. So I don't need to worry. I don't need to worry about a third party connection because I have now used the Facebook native scheduler to schedule out my content. But CinchShare just allows me to keep everything nice, neat, and organized because who knows? I might want to run this event or this party again in the future. And I don't have to search my Facebook group for all of these images and content. I could just go into CinchShare, duplicate the folder, make the edits that I want, and it's ready to go. So if you found this useful, be sure to share it with a friend. If you like to keep learning from me, don't forget to hit subscribe so you're notified when new things are coming. And be sure to join me for the last way that I use CinchShare to schedule content through directly into Facebook. And this time, I'm going to be using my phone.